In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the Smartsheet mobile app on your phone. If you want to manage your work while you're away from your computer, the Smartsheet mobile app makes it easy to stay connected. You can check project updates, review information, and access important work items right from your device. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get the app installed and signed in so you can start using it right away. Begin by opening the app marketplace on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once you're there, tap on the search bar and type in Smartsheet. Make sure you spell the name correctly so the right app appears in the results. Next, look through the search results and select the official Smartsheet mobile app. It's always a good idea to double check that you're choosing the official app, especially if several similarly named apps show up. This helps ensure you're downloading the correct and secure version designed for mobile use. After you've selected the app, tap Install or Get, depending on the type of phone you're using. Your device may ask you to confirm the download with your password, fingerprint, face recognition, or another security method. Once you approve it, wait a moment while the app downloads and installs. The timing may vary depending on your internet speed, so just give it a minute if needed. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find the Smartsheet app later from your home screen or app drawer if you don't want to open it immediately from the store page. As the app opens, you'll be prompted to log in with your Smartsheet account. Enter your login details carefully and continue through the sign-in process. If your organization uses a special login method such as single sign-on, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete access. Make sure you use the account connected to the work or projects you want to view. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces directly from your phone. This gives you a convenient way to stay organized, review updates, and keep track of your tasks no matter where you are in. And that's it. Once the app is installed and you're logged in, you're ready to start using Smartsheet on mobile.